Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video and app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change the password to your Hubspot account. So you have an Hubspot account that you use for the CRM of Hubspot. You use that account for a lot of reasons and now you're worried about the security of your account. You feel like your password is not secure enough and you want to change the password to increase the security of your account, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change your HubSpot account password in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you have to do in order to change your HubSpot account password is open your browser and go to hubspot.com. Now once you go to hubspot.com, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change the password for. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here, in order to change the password, what you want to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then once you tap on the settings icon, you land on an interface like this. Now here, from the left hand side list, you need to go into your securities in order to change the password. Once you go into your securities, you land on an interface like this. Here you'll see a section labeled as password, and below that section you'll see an option labeled as reset password. So to change the HubSpot account password, tap on the reset password option. Now once you tap on the reset password option, a pop-up window like this will open. Now here, in order to change your account password, what you need to do is enter your current password, then create a new password for your account. So go ahead and enter your current password. Once you enter your current password, go ahead and create a new password for your HubSpot account. Once you create a new password, tap on the reset password button. Once you tap on the reset password button, you'll successfully update your new password for your HubSpot account. Now you can use a HubSpot account without the fear of your security getting breached. So those were the simple steps in order to reset or change your HubSpot account password. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.